I've been thinking about slow feeding bowls for dogs. They look like a fun form to make, and my puppy eats like it's a race. So join me as I make a slow feeding bowl and we'll find out if it works. I'm using 1 kilo of clay. It's my yellow speckled clay, but this will work with most clays. So I center my clay. And while I'm centering, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It inspires us to create these videos for you. And of course, like and comment below, it's much appreciated. I flatten the clay to about 17 centimeters. I haven't made this form before, so I'm guesstimating the dimensions. I push down into the clay, leaving extra clay in the base. The extra clay in the base is for those ridges that make it a slow feeder. I compress the base and I form the walls. I bring up the walls to the final height. I smooth the walls with a rib. And now for the fun part. I press down into the base to make the ridges. I don't want to press down too far. Check with a pin tool if you have to. I bring the ridges up a little. This will affect how difficult it is for my puppy to get at the food. I'm spacing them just a little larger than the diameter of the food my puppy eats. I don't want the food to get completely stuck down there. I trim around the base, and after a quick tidy, I wire through. Now I set aside to dry to leather hard. So this is perfect, leather hard and ready to trim. I flip and center the bowl. I'm using the clay pad left over from wiring through to hold my pot in place. And I trim across the base. I work my way to the outer edge. And I trim around the outside base. I compress and smooth the base with a rib. I'm ready to set aside to dry. And now to glaze. quick dip. I'm using a white glossy functional glaze. And then I clean the base. And now I glaze fire to a cone 6. So let's have a look. So it works, and it's definitely slowing my puppy down. So let's compare the slow feeder to a regular ball. Well, it takes about twice as long to eat from the slow feeder, so it's a tick from me. For other useful kitchen items, why don't you check out my vegetable steamer video? And happy potting!